Hey guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install Odoo 11 or Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, let's open terminal and start. First, we must update. So sudo apt get update. Let's copy this. And now we must upgrade. Okay, I have upgraded before, so let's continue. Install Python 3 and yes to continue. So if it asks you for the upgrade, click on yes to continue. Now we must install dependency needed on Python 3. So we can install it with pipe 3 install to install the dependency for Python 3. Don't worry, you will find all of this command. Now we go to the next step 4. Just after it finished to install the dependency needed, and let's continue. So step 4, let's take this command. And let's start to install the npm and let's take the next command. It doesn't take. So the file script symbol link. I think there is a problem. So let's check the installation of Node.js. There is Node.js here. Go to Node. Node exists on Node.js. Anyway, let's continue. No need to create this link. So this command it is just to create a link and add the option S to add symbol link. So we can skip this command, no problem. Let's take the next command and yes to continue. And go to step 5. Also yes to continue. And let's take this and change vim with jaded and add this line and save and take the next command and now we must update. And after the update, we install Postgres 9.6. Waiting for the installation. I mean the update. And install Postgres and yes to continue. And let's go to the step 6. We must add change the user. So the HU Postgres, and now we are with the user Postgres. So save and create database. And create user. The user is empty software. And exit now. And step 7, create Odoo user. And step 8, go to Odoo. And download Odoo now. I mean download the gdata. And let's extract the file. And go inside the file. And exit now. Go inside Studio Odoo. We are already here. And let's install Git, because we will need to clone from GitHub Odoo 11. And now let's continue. And change to user Odoo, and let's clone from Odoo on GitHub. So cloning into Odoo from GitHub /Odoo 11, and it starts to download now. So it is alright here receiving object and waiting for the download. Okay, now after the download we must exit and create Odoo log file. So let's take this command. And let's edit this file. There is okay, forget space. And now let's copy this line. So this is the configuration. This is the for the user, the password. I don't have a password, and the user is Odoo. So let's save and close, and let's continue. And let's take this command to install WQ HTML. And let's extract the file. So it will in packing. Now run Odoo server. And go inside Odoo. So we must be inside the Odoo bin. And press execute. And Odoo is running now. So let's create a database name, for example, empty software, email, and give a password. You can choose language, country, and create database, and save the password. And waiting to create a database, call it empty software. So all of this command you will find it on the description of the video. So let's close this, we don't need now. And this is Odoo 11 and the database is created. So this is Odoo 11. So this is the end of the video. It was how to install Odoo 11 on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.